Hey guys, so this is the last process we do for the titanium, is that we basically sanded them with a 2000 grit. So it's a really fine grit. So I just put it in dishwashing soap so we can just clean it off any dust, any dirty particles, and then I just use a cloth to clean this properly, so I don't want any fingerprints on it. And so that just gives the colors and the patterns just the best possible way to show in this piece. So the thing is, I saw on videos that people use like a heat to like a heat flame to get the patterns out, but because the pocket clip, as you can see here, has a thick part and the rest of the pocket clip is thin, so it's difficult with the heat gun to get evenly heated because of the thick part on the back side. So what we do is we're going to put it into the oven. So as you can see, we heat the oven to 650 degrees Celsius, and we're going to put it in about 1.5 minutes. So it just gives an even heat throughout the whole part, and then once it comes out, I'm going to use the heat gun to heat up the flame. So I have control to do that, and then the whole part's going to have even heat distribution. So I'm going to clamp it now. Just show you here. I've made this simple screw and wire that I just thread the pocket clip into. Just want to make sure it's tight and secure. So just make sure there's no dust on it, because the oven doesn't like if there's any dust on the part, so it kind of makes marks. Just make sure it's clean. So I'm going to put it inside, and I'm just going to put it in slowly, and then I'm going to put it in for 1.5 minutes, and then we'll take it out. So the reason is why do it just for 1.5 minutes is that I can't see in the oven when it's ready, so this just gives me adequate time to see. As you can see there, it's purple and a little bit of brown, copper, gold color. So I'm going to use the flame now to basically get the final colors I want. So I start here on the thick side, and then I'm just going to work my way up from the top to the bottom. And you must be careful not to overheat it, because it changes color quickly, especially because it's a thin part. The pocket clip is kind of thin, so if you put too much heat on a certain part or area, then it's gonna heat up too quickly and it's become white. So you must make sure to keep your areas where you put the heat on consistent. So don't want to make it too white, otherwise it's not going to look great. So there you can see it's beautiful patterns on the pocket clip, and all the blue and purple and a little bit of white. So you can control however you would like it, but this is how we like the pocket clip to be. Thanks for watching, guys.